I am preparing my wood floor, choking on dust, and you can take these and you can sand them one at a time like this if you want. It takes a little longer, but you know you got every one. You don't have to do any touch-ups when you get in the middle of putting the floor down. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stack them just like that. I'm gonna fan them like a deck of cards. When you get this edge, you don't want to get it too hard. You want to knock off just enough where it doesn't have a kind of a sharp edge. That's all I want to do. And then I want to feel this under my feet. I want it to feel smooth, like the wood in my house. And then after I get that other, so we just got the front corner first, and then we get the back corner. Got that done. And I'm gonna get them flat. You could do this on a board if you wanted to smooth it up, but I haven't been, but you can. Kind of important to knock all the fuzz off the side here, so you don't have that extra little bit contaminating your straight line, throwing your line off. There's one in here that's just a little bit narrower than the others. I'm going to take that, take the end and hit it to where it kind of looks like a stair step, maybe a little bit more exaggerated. Get it like that, and then other side. You're not going to get them all, but you're going to get most of them. The only way to make it perfect is to do one at a time. And that's just a lot of labor hours. If you do it like this, and you can just kind of touch it up whenever you're nailing them down. Keep a piece of sandpaper close by. Most people are going to look at your floor and go, "Oh, that looks good," not pay another attention to it. If they look real close, it's because they either want to buy it or they're jealous. Then I'll stack that load there with the rest of them, and I'll continue this. Now, I know which side is my favorite side. And since this is plywood, it's going to have that little V where they cut that little football shape to take out an imperfection. But you can, if you like, let's say this side is great, and you don't like that, you just cut that piece off and go on with it. If you like that side, I'm definitely going to put that up. See, that side matches, but you know, it's not supposed to be a perfect match, otherwise it just looked like rolled down vinyl. So I will definitely put this up with that really cool pattern right there. I'll put as much of that facing up as possible before I run into one of these plywood patch like that. So I'm going to glue it down. I won't really saturate it, but I'll put a couple dabs here and there, and I'll shoot it down with a brad nailer so that if it ever needs to be replaced or repaired, it won't be a huge hassle.